Hello S2 and welcome back to your fourth media analysis lesson. So just to give you a little reminder, we've already covered audience and purpose, camera angles, sound, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about editing techniques. So as always, we've got a starter task for you. So today's words are design, temporary, and uniform. So same as always, you need to copy these words out 3 times each on a piece of paper. Remember to try and use the words to make a sentence of your own, and then take a picture of your starter task and add it to the box on the left-hand side. Okay, so on to editing. So what exactly are editing techniques? Well, once all of the footage for a film, TV show or advert has been shot, the process of editing that footage then begins. A wide variety of special techniques are used to make the scenes fit together in various ways that make the final film visually interesting or dramatic. So there are lots of different kinds of editing techniques, but today we're going to be focusing on the following: fast motion editing, slow motion editing, and montage. So fast and slow motion edits. What exactly are they? Well, fast motion and slow motion editing is a technique that's used to change the speed of a section of film to make it go much faster or slower than it normally would. The effects are used for a variety of reasons. So, for example, it could be used to draw the attention of the audience to an important scene, or it could perhaps be used to make a scene feel very busy and very hectic. So there's a Word document that's been attached to your team's assignment, and it has some links that you can use to look at some examples of these different techniques. So the first 2 links on the document will take you to videos that show you examples of slow motion and fast motion editing. So you should pause the video and have a look at both of those now. On to montage then. So a montage is a selection of images or short clips which are put into a very specific order in a film. This is often done to give the audience the idea that time is passing, or perhaps that some kind of process is taking place. So in order to give you a better idea of what a montage is, you should really watch one. So again, refer back to the Word document that's been attached to your team's assignment and check the 3rd link to see examples of a montage. Pause the video and do that now. Brilliant. On to a task then. So on the same Word document that you've been using already in the lesson, you'll see if you scroll down that there are 3 clips on the Word document that you should watch. Watch each one and then see if you can identify which kind of editing technique you think has been used to make that clip. And you should write the kind of editing technique on the table below. Now, as always, we're going to end the lesson by talking a little bit about the private reading project. So remember that for the private reading project, it's really important that you engage with this for each lesson. So this isn't an extension task, it's something that you should do as part of every English lesson. So you should take some time now to do some reading towards your project. Again, aim to do at least 20 minutes of reading. So remember that you can read something from home, you can use Brown's books, or you can look at some of the short stories that have been added to the content library of your OneNote. Once you've finished your reading, you must make notes on the characterisation, setting, structure and theme. So there's a space on the next slide for you to do that. And remember to please let your teacher know if you're struggling to complete the reading for any reason, as there's lots that they can do to help you with the reading. So you should add your notes to the page that looks just like this. So pause the video, do your reading and update your notes now. Perfect, well done, that's the end of the lesson. So remember to tag your teacher on Teams and ask them if you have any questions at all about anything that we've covered today.